my god, that sounds so cool.
Someone will probably come by soon enough, so we can get all the way up. Let's get out when we get up. Oh my.
Dude, I love that chime. Floor cancellation works.
The indicator's a little off center on this.
Ground floor. Going up. Fifth floor.
See if we can go up again.
Going up.
That is some music to my ears.
Nice.
Oh.
Going up.
I just like elevators, that's why we're filming.
These ones are shit.
Really?
Yeah, my wife got dropped from floor 27 to floor 13.
And these? These are Mitsubishi. These are like, typically, even elevator mechanics agree, these are like the best of the best.
The things haven't been checked since like 2020.
That's the LEX fault. Hey, have a good one though. Good luck to the elevators.
Nah, bro, straight capping. I don't believe it.
I will say, people do tend to embellish what happens in elevators.
35th floor.
Top floor. Let's end it up here.
Those are cool. Oh look, they have the bumper slash
Sensor bumpers.
And those are cool. That's, if it ever closes.